Hello. In this video we'll demonstrate the reporting module in the UCaaS portal, including cradle-to-grave reporting, scheduled reports, and call recordings. When you first enter the reporting module, you will see all calls for the last day listed by default. The most recent calls will be displayed first. From there, if you needed information beyond that day, you can click on the Filters button. Filters allow you to select a specific date and/or time range. You may search a range of up to 90 days. Additional options in the filter tool allow you to search by specific users or department names. If you have multiple locations, you can search by the site name. You can search by the caller's phone number or the number that was dialed. You can also search by call type, like inbound or outbound calls. Once you have the report you wish, you can easily export the call logs to a CSV file. Each call listed in the log will also have cradle-to-grave information available. Clicking on the cradle-to-grave icon for a given call will display the entire path a call took from the time it entered the system until it was completed. This includes showing auto-attendant information like the menu option or extension number that a caller selected. It will also show where a call was transferred from or to. This can be extremely useful when trying to determine if calls are being answered properly. We can see in this example that as the call came into the system, the active time frame was checked and determined to be the open hours schedule. The caller was then initially answered by the day automated attendant. After listening to the options, the caller selected menu option 1 for customer service and was sent into the customer service call queue. There were no other callers waiting in queue, so this call immediately began to ring the customer service representative at extension 103. Customer Service Representative Extension 103 answered the call. After a short conversation, the Customer Service Rep, Extension 103 transferred the caller to the user at Extension 107. The user at Extension 107 has their answering rules set to send callers directly to their voicemail box, so the caller was immediately connected to the voicemail box for Extension 107. After hearing the greeting and not selecting any additional options, the caller left a voicemail that was approximately 16 seconds in length and then hung up the call. Cradle-to-grave information can be viewed up to 7 days after a call occurred. The Export Scheduler in the reporting module allows you to set up scheduled exports of the system call logs, which will be emailed out automatically. The exports can be scheduled to run daily, weekly, monthly, or for a custom capture period. Options for call reporting exports allow you to select specific users to report on, and allow you to select to include inbound or outbound calls or internal extension to extension calls. You may set up as many scheduled exports as you wish. Calls that were recorded, either manually or automatically, will be available within the reporting module. Any calls that have an associated recording will display 2 additional icons on the call log. Using these icons, you can choose to download a copy of the recording, or you can play the recording right in the portal. Additional controls to fast forward, reverse, pause and playback speed are also available while listening to a call recording within the portal. Recordings are available in the portal for 30 days after the call occurs. Framework also offers extended long-term recording archiving through AWS. Thank you for watching. Please join us for the next video in our UCaaS demo series, where we'll discuss the Call Queues module, and how using call queues can help you manage the incoming calls to your business.